dental facts that affect our mouths. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 dental facts that affect our mouths and how we can prevent them. Before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our updates. In today's video, I will share some of my knowledge with you about your mouth in order to help you maintain a healthy smile for years to come. There are many things that we don't know about our teeth, but in this video, I'll be breaking down 10 dental secrets that will make all the difference in your oral health. Number 1. Brushing our teeth for 2 minutes twice a day is the best way to keep our mouths healthy. In fact, a study has shown that 62% of Americans do not brush for even a full minute. First of all, the ideal time to brush your teeth is twice a day for 2 minutes each time, although this can vary from person to person depending on personal preference and specific dental needs. In fact, studies show that only 38% of Americans brush their teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Number 2. Eating an apple after lunch every day can help prevent tooth decay and cavities. In fact, chewing an apple is a great way to kill the germs in your mouth and stimulate saliva production, which helps protect our teeth from decay. Gingivitis can be caused by bacterial plaque buildup on our teeth that leads to inflammation of the gums. Eating crunchy produce like apples helps cleanse your mouth of these harmful bacteria. Number 3. Drinking lots of water each day helps wash away plaque from our teeth, which prevents gum disease and other mouth problems. Plaque, which can form on our teeth as a result of harmful bacteria, as mentioned above, is the main cause of serious dental problems such as tooth decay and gum disease. By drinking lots of water each day, not only do you keep well hydrated, but this also helps to flush plaque off your teeth before it has time to settle and cause problems. Number 4. We should eat foods that are high in calcium because it makes our bones strong, including milk products like cheese or yogurt, as well as dark green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale. In fact, our bone density actually starts to decline as early as 30 years old, so it's important to start eating foods that are high in calcium from a young age. This will help ensure you have strong bones well into your golden years. Number 5. Brushing after sugary snacks can slow down the formation of plaque on our teeth. Eating sugary snacks is no way to treat your mouth, in fact. They cause all sorts of oral health problems, including tooth decay and gum disease. However, if you do eat a sugary snack, it is important that you brush shortly after in order to cleanse the harmful bacteria from your teeth before it has time to stick and cause problems. Number 6. Acid erosion from coffee or citrus-based fruit drinks can wear away our enamel, exposing the dentin, which is a yellowish layer of our teeth. According to a study, 3 out of every 4 Americans have some form of dental erosion on their teeth, so it's important that we take care not to drink too many acidic beverages. This includes coffee as well as juices and sodas, as they all contain high acid contents that can weaken your enamel and expose the dentin underneath. Number 7. Leaving a moist toothbrush can lead to bacteria growth and cause problems such as plaque buildup or even tooth decay. Left out in the open, a toothbrush can grow all sorts of harmful bacteria that can lead to serious oral problems such as plaque buildup and even cavities. In order to ensure your brush is completely clean each time you use it, make sure you dry it thoroughly after rinsing and store it in an upright position so the bristles don't bend and harbor bacteria. Number 8. Brushing your teeth with baking soda can help control plaque, gingivitis, and tartar buildup. According to the American Dental Association, using a toothpaste containing baking soda has been shown to be effective in removing plaque material from our teeth as well as killing harmful germs that lead to gingivitis and tartar buildup. This is because baking soda acts as an abrasive to help scrub away plaque, and it also neutralizes harmful acids in our mouths, which ultimately help prevent cavities. Number 9. Everyone should have a fluoride rinse once a month, especially if you live near a lake or ocean where the water is known to be high in fluoride. Fluoride is a naturally occurring mineral within the Earth's crust, and it helps strengthen our teeth by making them more resistant to bacteria, which can cause cavities. It also makes our enamel more resistant to acid erosion, such as that caused by citrus juices or soda. Of course, fluoride isn't only found in water, it is also contained in most kinds of toothpaste and other dental products, which is why it's great that many of us are now able to obtain fluoride supplements very easily. As an added benefit, the American Dental Association has found that rinsing with a fluoride supplement once each month can help reduce plaque buildup by as much as 30%. Number 10. The dry brushing technique is an old-fashioned way of removing plaque from your teeth. Although many people are now using electric toothbrushes, this method is still used by many cultures to practice oral hygiene. This involves basically running our hands or a washcloth over the surface of our teeth in circular motions for about 30 seconds each session. According to experts, this method is very effective because it not only helps us remove plaque from our teeth, but it also stimulates circulation within the gums and gets rid of dead cells, which all lead to healthy teeth. If you like this video, press the like button and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.